So many of us become vets because we really and truly love animals. I mean, that was definitely one of the reasons why I became a vet. We then spend a minimum of 5 years learning everything there is to know about the different species, but there's one species we actually learn almost nothing about, and that species is the human being. And ironically enough, that's the species we spend most days dealing with in practice. And I'm not only talking about our clients, don't forget our colleagues. We do work in big teams, and there's a lot of research on what we should be doing in practice when it comes to communication, but then we don't usually get the answer to how do you actually communicate better? What do we actually say? I wish there was one perfect online script that we could all just use every day and life would be easy. But what we can do is we can understand the skills and practice them in a safe environment, allowing us to then improve our communication and really find ways to better understand that human being that we're having conversations with.